Okay, could this be the day, folks? It's JD20 Spark lookalike recovery day number 4. So yeah, check out the video up there. It's where I lost one of my drones. I've had a hell of a job finding it. I'm not going to give up though, because I know it's sitting up in a tree somewhere. I sort of know the area that it fell in. Had some pretty crappy weather here the last couple of days, so it's been really windy. So I'm going to go to the spot where I flew it, and I'm sort of hoping that the wind's blown it down from the tree. Because it's the only way I'm going to find it. Cut a long story short, so yeah, check out the video where I lost it. Bit of a laugh, bit of a stupid thing to do. I flew a million miles in the air. Not a good idea with these drones to fly them a long way up, especially if they don't have some sort of tracking app with them, like a lot of the DJI drones do. So yeah, my own silly fault, but anyway, this will probably be my last look for it. If I can't find it today, well, I'm just going to give up, so, and move on. But that's cool. So let's get going. I'll see you out in the field. So this is the area we're looking in. There's a kangaroo over there. Where'd he go? Ah, he's done a runner. So this is it here. Somewhere around here. I'm hoping to find my drone. Okay. Start the search. Thanks for your patience, you guys, but I've run out of patience. I've had a good scour of the area that it fell in, which is here, just around here somewhere, just here, should be right here, but obviously the wind wasn't strong enough, or it's well and truly stuck up one of these trees. End of a chapter. No worries. Let's get back to the car, and things it's not raining. Let's go wind down with a quick Tello flight. Good idea. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Don't go anywhere. Check out my next video. I do some Tello flying over a river. Yes, don't forget, smash that like, share button. Give us a thumbs up, and of course the important one, smash on that subscribe so you can check out any new videos coming up with that bell ringer. Hey, thanks for your support, guys. Over the last few weeks I've been posting a few videos and getting heaps of great feedback from everybody. Been meeting a lot of new people, which is terrific, and yeah, just generally enjoying my YouTube experience at the moment, so yeah, it's great. Hey, see you next video, and of course, see you in the sky.